Hello everyone, welcome to GigaBit. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can solve the problem when Camscanner isn't working in a very simple way. The first thing we need to keep in mind is that we'll have to close the application and open it again. Meaning if we had it open, all we have to do is close it. We open multitasking, swipe up and close it. The same if we have an iPhone, we do the same thing and close the application. This usually fixes any type of issue. What else are we going to have to do? We'll have to activate camera and storage permissions. Camscanner itself won't work if it doesn't have permission. For this, what are we going to have to do? We'll have to go to Settings / Applications, Camscanner and click on Permissions. Or in my case, I'll go to the application's Info, and as you can see, I have no permissions. What are we going to have to do? We'll have to give all the necessary permissions to the application to avoid any type of inconvenience or problem in the future. We're going to allow notifications and allow location, and with that, we'd be done. As you can see, it's something really simple, so we've activated these options and we won't suffer in the future in case we have any problem with it. Another thing we can do is go to the Play Store, and here what we'll have to do is search for Camscanner and see if there are any pending updates. That can also be very annoying and can be a problem preventing the application from opening. If there are no updates, as in my case, we'll just click Open, and as you can see, it will open without any problem. The same in the App Store. You can open the App Store, search for it by name, and in that way, you'll be able to find the application. We'll also be able to clear the cache and data. This is very simple. The next thing we'll have to do is open Camscanner, go to Info, and go to Storage. Once in Storage, we're going to clear cache and also clear data, meaning if we clear the cache, enter, and the application doesn't work for us, we clear the data. If we clear the data, open it, and the application doesn't open, what I recommend is forcing the application to close, force stop, and opening it again from scratch. This avoids inconveniences. We can also restart our phone to correct camera errors or, in any case, memory errors. We'll also have the opportunity to uninstall the application and restart our mobile, and in this way, try to download the application again. Something else important to point out is that VPNs or ad blockers also tend to cause some type of inconvenience with this. The easiest solution in just 1 minute. We're going to have to close the app, clear the cache, activate permissions, restart the phone, open Camscanner. And in 90% of cases, this will work and will cause the application to function without any type of problem. And well, that's been everything. I hope you liked the video, and this is GigaBit.